In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button color in Card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update a button's background and label colors so they match your brand and are easy to read. First, head to the Card website. Once you're there, open your dashboard. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your sites. From the dashboard, open the project you want to edit. This takes you into the Card Builder where you can see your page and the settings panel on the side. On your page, click the button you want to change. When a button is selected, its settings appear in the sidebar. To reveal all the controls available for that button, click the small arrow to expand the full options. This is where you'll find everything related to style, including color. In the color section, look for the background color control. Click it to open the color picker. Here you can drag within the palette, adjust the hue slider, or type in a specific hex code if you have a brand color you need to match. If your design uses transparency, you can also adjust the opacity so the background subtly blends with whatever is behind it. As you choose a color, keep contrast in mind. Bold, mid to dark tones often work well for primary call to action buttons, while softer tones can be good for secondary actions. After setting the background, move to the text or label color. Open that color picker and choose a color that is clearly legible on top of your new background. A simple rule of thumb is dark text on a light background and light text on a dark background. Aim for strong contrast to improve accessibility and readability, especially on mobile screens. If you have a specific brand white or near black, you can paste that hex code here as well. Take a moment to scan your page and make sure the updated button stands out without clashing with surrounding elements. If the button includes an icon or subtle shadow, check that those still look clean against your new colors. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done to confirm the changes. You'll see the updated colors applied right away in the Builder preview. If something doesn't look right, simply select the button again and fine-tune the background or label color until it feels just right. That's it. You've changed a button's background and label colors in Card, keeping your design on brand and easy to read.